In this video, I am going to show you how to add blog posts to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is my website and this is my blog page, and as you can see that there is no blog post on my blog page. So today we are going to add new blog post to our website. To do this, log into your Wix website dashboard. Now from the left menu, just hover over blog and then click on posts. Here you will see all the posts that are published, draft, pending review, scheduled or trashed. Now to create a new post, just click on create new post from the top. On the top you will see the tools to edit your text. You can make it bold, italic or underline. Also you can change the text color using these tools. And on the left side you will see other settings for your blog post. So now we are going to add our blog post and we will check out each and every element of Wix blog editor. So at first let's add a title. After that we are going to add our blog text. Now if you want to turn any text to heading, just select the text, click on this paragraph and then select heading from here. And as you can see that our text is now converted into heading. To change the size of our text, click on this drop down and then you can change the font size from here. Now if you want to add other elements to your blog like images or videos, then click on this add button from the top. We can add media to our blog post, other elements to our blog post, and we can also add custom code to our blog post. Let's add an image to our blog post. So click on image from here. Now if you want to upload your image from your computer, then select upload media from here, upload from computer, select your image and then click on open, and in this way it will be uploaded. If you want to upload image from Wix media library, then select media from Wix. Now from the top you can search for your query and then you can add an image based on your query. Just select the image and then click on add to page and it will be added to your blog post. Now if you want to decrease or increase the size of your image, you can do it from here. You can also change the alignment from here. After that you can add a link to your image from here. So these are the elements that you can easily add to your blog post. After that we are going to click on settings. Now if you want to feature this post, then you can do it from here. After that click on advanced. You can add an excerpt here and also you can add related posts from here. Just click on choose post. Select the post and then click on done. After that we have the option for the SEO. You can do the SEO settings for your post from here. Here we have the SEO assistant and it will tell us about our post. After that click on basics. So you can change the URL slug and meta title and meta description from here. And after that we have categories. You can create a new category from here. And if you have already published categories on your website, then you can add this post to any of these categories. After that we have tags. You can easily add tags to your blog post from here. So after doing all the settings for your post, from the top just click on publish. And as you can see that our post is now published. And now if I go to my blog and refresh it, and here we will see the post that we have just published. So this is how you can add a blog post to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.